Hello, it's Astral here, and welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at the QQQ, which follows the Nasdaq. So the market sentiment is everything's gonna go up for Santa rally, and here we go. So we're looking at the 400 contracts weekly because we're gonna get our weekly. We're gonna have 1 day trade, right? So I got 70 contracts we're gonna buy in. So we're waiting for it to cross our technical levels, right? So it crossed 398, the previous highs, meaning it can go to 400 to 408 to the previous highs. So right here, I joined the bid. I just pushed buy market. Yeah, so now I have 70 contracts at 0.73, which is $5,110 to buy in. So we paid $5,110, and yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna ride it up. We're gonna top ticket. We're probably not gonna stay in long. So on the right, that's where you can see my money, right? How much is worth the contracts. I wish I got in lower. I could have got in at 40-50 cents, but oh no, I could have got in at, let me see, yeah, 40-50 cents, but I was waiting for the candle to hold, above that area of that red line that you see above that area. On a day year chart, it showed a double bottom, so it's very bullish that it will go up to the top. It'll go up to the previous highs or close to the previous highs. So that's how we know we're gonna play this and we're gonna win. Yeah, so it's holding well. Bought in. No major pullback. All the bears would get sucked out, right? So the bears are covering their longs, making the price go up higher, and so we're fine, right? Until we see a red candle or struggle. But I want to sell into the pressure so all my contracts get sold. I want it to get built like a snap of a finger, right? So we're holding. Bear with me. It's already $2,000 on the right. On the right, it's going up pretty fast. Just a couple cents. Every 1 cent move is $70. So every 1 cent move, I'm getting $70. All right. You know how much money I would make if this went to 405 or 4, and I think it might go today to that. It might go to 405. Okay, so that just say 4.2, I would make 11,000. 403 make 17,000. 404 23,000. 405 29,000, and at the highs at 408, their previous highs, $52,000. Wow, if I hold and it goes to 408, $52,000. Wow. It could, but we're day traders, so as soon as we get we get a high, much good profit, and we see kind of it's the top, we're not gonna wait for that next candle. We're jumping out. Last time I was talking about looking at trend lines, right? And that's only good if I had a 25,000 account, so I could get out and then get back in. Get out on that dip and get back in right when it shows signs that it's gonna go above it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm not gonna look back at this trade today because I know I'm gonna be so upset. I could have made 50 grand, and I'm gonna be crying about it for weeks. You know me, I'm freaking crying. And yeah, so here we go. Okay, hand on the sell button. We're already at 28. We're already at 3 grand, right? It's at 3 grand. Look at that. Look on the right, on the bottom, where I showed you guys to look. It's going up. It's going up. It's kind of staggering. It's kind of getting heavy, right? It's kind of getting heavy, but we see the bottom coming in. 1,000 contracts on the top 5-minute middle chart. Waiting. Hand on the sell button. So we're gonna try to top ticket, right? I want to top ticket. If I had another, more trades, I would get in on a dip, get back in, ride it up again. But we don't have that many trades, right? But we did our job. So I top ticked it. I'm gonna top ticket. So I put join a bid. I canceled it because it looks like it can go up higher, right? The red candle didn't show yet. Like how I said, we're gonna wait for like a super big push pressure or a sight of a red candle. So here we go. Here we go. See the reversal just popping up. So I'm just checking how much I would have made on Tesla, right? So if I bought in 5 contracts, I would have made what, 5 grand. 5 grand. I would have made the same thing if I traded that. Would have made about the same thing. So we see a big push on QQQ. I switch back. Okay, so we're looking to get out, right? Here we go. Here we go. Here, pop. Here we go. Looking for it. Looking for it. Push join the ass. 140 on the ass. Join the ass. Filled. Filled. Got filled. Yeah, we got filled. Looks good. So that trade took 5 minutes. And I sold at 140. Let's do the math real quick. Made 4,690 on the day just from this trade in 5 minutes. It took 5 minutes, right? The unit was here for 5 minutes. It took 5 minutes. And here's the profit. 5,185 on the day. And from the Facebooks, the leaps we were holding, $754. So pretty good. We bought that Facebook leap. We got a whole year out, so we're good. Our portfolio is now up to almost 15,000 from what, 9,000, 1,000 just 3 weeks ago. We did top ticket. If we look at the chart, 3-minute left chart, we top ticked it dipped, and we could have got more. But we only got 1 day trade, right? Bought by the dip. Would have went back up, we would have made way more, right? We only got 1 trade. We top ticked our trade, so we're good for the day. Won't look back because I know I'm gonna cry.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.